until it's time to go. Then I'm leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not through. Do so much for you. Having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight. It feels alright. Feels alright.
Alright! Saan ang ginuguan mo kasi muwak? Wala ka talaga? Ay, ito gusto ko to scientist.
Sige, dali lang.
Eh, dala tayo mga.
Dati ni Coco, hindi ba nag-imposible masyado? Hindi kaya ng Plan X, ang Ariel, kaya! Imposible na dyan, basta ganyan ang Plan X Power Play. Imposible, tayo. School break time with Alaska. Very exciting! Fruity, yummy baon with more flavors.
Music karaoke.
Please take time to survive. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, counting the days. There's a silence apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. Oh, take me back to the start. was just guessing numbers. progress. Tonight is loud as my heart. But tell me you love me, but nothing on me. Oh, and I will rush to the start. Running in circles, chasing our days, coming back as we are. Nobody said it was easy. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. I'm going back to the start.
Yan na lang mo. Maganda din yan. Ayun. Hati tayo. Ay. Ngayon, kapapaksa na ito. Kapapaksa din.
Okay, this song is dedicated to
On behalf of my Rose, Kirichi.
forever to touch you.
Ito naman nasabi. I know that you feel me somehow. The best can happen. Sabay.
And I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment. And all I can breathe is your light. When it's sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Go bata.
And you kick back the things that ain't coming, or the moment of truly realize. When everything feels like a movie, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who
Grabe yung katayin ko. Alam mo. Bigyan ko. Ang daan ni Papa.
Patikim. Ang lasa.
Sinisabon kaya.
Baka naiwan ang paste. Mas proud ka sa linis yun. Magandang sabon. Walang sabon ang paste. Isang taba. Isang nakuta.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Sabayan lang ba eh. Eh. Siguro sa Papa.
Then the songs.
Kasi ma,
Wait lang. Kumain naman si Mababa. Wait lang.
So let me slip away. So let me slip away.
So let me slip away. Let me slip against the current. So let me slip away. So let me slip away. So let me vindicated. I'm selfish. I am wrong. I am right and I am right. When you were all alone and I am wrong, but I'm thinking I'm so well. I'm seeing you now.
Mga kasi lang, no? Di ba yung higop yan, sabi mo?
Battery.
Yun nga, baliw ka kasi.
Ito wala yan.
Ang ganun dito.
Parang mag-search tayo.
Ang hirap na yung
Kaya kamakay ka pa dyan ba?
sa taas.
Ano, ako dito ah.
Sa'yo na lang ganyan ko. Wala yung fake siya. Hindi kaya nakapagyan doon, hindi ka naman ginagamit. Pag-iingat ka natin ako. Bakit pa talaga yan? Kasi nagpapatagal na siguro yun.
Nagaganyan din si ate.
Pero mga kapatid na rin.
Kapatid niya nagdo-drawing. Commission.
Pero ano siya eh. Nag-make daw siya ng universal equivalent. Isa na pakita ka. Dapat ang tawag yun.
Mga drawing.
Tinawa siya.
May gusto kong nakakatawa tayo. XP pendant gamit niya.
Hindi.
Agad.
Ngayon nabalak mo siyang babae. Hindi siya video.
Ayan. Huwag ka mo sa malubat. Bibili
home. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Leave my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the bad thing I've become. Now that I know that I'm weak down, you can't just leave me.
Favorite. Try Tinder Drunkie.
Iisipin mo muna. Dito din sa skip.
So, paano si Dami at Bianca?
Wait, Mia. Tangrap na ka na rin mo. May packs na dead kami.
Summer has come and passed, the innocent can never last. When September ends, like my father's come to pass, 7 years has gone so fast.
Takin na, akin pala ako.
When September ends, here comes the rain again, falling from the stars, drenching my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory but never forget what I lost. Wake me up when September ends. Bring up dance again, like beginners can't began. Wake me up when September ends. Here it comes, the rain again, falling from the sky, breaking my faith again, calling who we are. As the never rest, but never forget what who made me up. This September.
Yung girls mo na magpad nga eh.
Lying in my bed, I think and think of you. Caught up in circles, confusion is nothing new. Flashback, warm nights, almost happy. Suitcase of memories. Time after sometimes you picture me. I'm walking too far ahead. You're wrong to me. I can't hear what you said. Then you say, go slow. I fall behind. The same thing can done once. If you lost together, then you will find me. Time after time, if you fall, I will catch you out. Time after time, if you lost together, then you will find me. Time after time, if you fall, I will catch you.
Sa bakasyon.
Ano? Ano song?
Bakasyon.
Kakalo.
Ano marunong mo? Baka naman eh. Mamaya.
Ay, nagtitit pa ako eh. Ikaw na nga, bebe tayo eh. Update siya.
Ay, mga guys.
Nagana pa kami.
Kaya ka nabubulbog na eh.
Sa workplace, may sweet, cheesy, merong kaya din. Sarap ng barkada.
Pag-ibig mo na to eh.
Ano ba kasi ka?
Going back to the good. First saw you in the night. Can't be my shoes, but it's sleeping pa pala. So where to go? Got you picture in my head and say, if you sit straight, can you tell her give me money and understand? Oh, it's a broken heart that makes no sense. What can I do? How can I move on when I'm still in love with you? 'Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where all this turned out to be, thinking baby you come back into the place I believe, and you'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. Babe, I'm not moving. Policeman says, honey, you can't stay here. I said, there's somewhere waiting for me to stay a month, a year. Stand my ground, even if it rains or snows. If she changes her mind, the first place she would go. 'Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where all this turned out to be, thinking baby you come back into the place that we meet, and see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. People talk about the guys waiting on them. Oh, man, I know what's in the shoes, but a big hole in this one. Oh, maybe I can face the man who can be moved. Maybe you want me to, but you see me on the news. You come running to the corner, 'cause you know it's just for you. The man who can be moved. The man who can be moved. 'Cause if one day you wake up, oh, you're with me. Oh, the place I can see. To the place that we meet. See me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not back to the
Puro kayo pa naman. Pero ba niya natin sa mga
Oo, may isa luwas ko pa ng ulong po sa sakit na po.
Sorry pa.
Sunday morning nga, ano, te?
Session naman na.
Yeah. Paano sa'yo naman nila sa labas? Ayun pala, ayun lang, I'm not the only one na lang pala. Eh, tapos nakakatawa sila na.
Hindi ideal man yun ah.
I'm not the only one kumita ka. Ay, ano yan? Spare? Ayun yung sabi ka. Para din yung tayo. Baba. Ayan. Ayan din. Pero, oo.
Even on red days, she can because she chooses
Tamang press
Protex
button lang
Plus.
mo dito.
It's
Ikot-ikot lang.
Hello. You and me, we made a vow. For better or for worse. I can't believe you let me go. But lose the way you burst. For my son and I then I'm everything. I wish this could be over now, but I know that I still need to. You will say I'm crazy.
You don't think I know what you've done. Kala ko di ko malalaman ha. Sabi ko pala eh. Yung let's not do this. Huwag ka lang kasi malungkot nag-hindi ako. Bakit ako naman yun?
You must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this. But I have seen this all before. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. 'Cause every time I open up, it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most of you. In case you go and leave me in the dirt. But every time you hurt me, the less that I cry.
And every time you leave me, the quicker this tears dry.
And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's all
That is true. I made
too good at goodbye.
Hindi ko kaya matagal. Sorry. May gusto ko masaya, wag ko lang pala alam.
sabi nila, ano my dad, but the upgraded version, pati probiotic drink niya,
Gusto ko kaso maliit?
from what dad had noon. That should
Hindi ako siya.
Oo, hindi ka kasha.
Para sa na lang.
Same bed, but it feels just a little bit deep. Our song on the radio, but it doesn't sound the same. Goodbye doesn't tears me down.
My heart breaks a little when I
Hear you think it all sounds just like home. Oh, too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers. And should give you all my hours when I had the chance. Take it
But everybody is on you. Itanggalin mo muna kaya yung nasa likod.
Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself forting. And in the bad times I feel myself. Tell me something, boy. I try to feel that void. Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself forting. And in the bad times I feel myself. I'm up and leaving, but you said diving. I'll never leave the ground. Crash to the surface, turning and hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're from the shallow.
Do you know removing underarm hair removes up to 1/3 of skin? Shave it, wax it, laser it.
Tayo na lang na.
Kaya nga.
Alam mo ba?
Ito na lang ako sa lord ako.
Okay. Ano?
Nangkati tayo.
Okay, everybody!
Dead speed.
Hey, party people! How you doing? Oh yeah? This is Angie once again. And I'm gonna do a song that you've never heard before. And you know what? I know you know this song, baby. From way, way back. So if you all know this song, you know what? You better sing along. Alright. Ako'y nagkakalate, alas 7 ng gabi. Nakilala ko tuloy itong magandang babae na nakapipigani sa aking mga mata. Hindi ko lang alam, may manloloko lang pala. Bumanat sa akin ng pilmoon yan, pilmoon. Nagtuturo na siya, hindi pa kami on upang di mahalata. Siya ay nagpayabang, nagnene na siya, tuwadaw siya sa alaba. Ako ay umakbay, mahigpit na mahigpit. Naglalaway sa palda niyong hapit na ako'y makalingan. Di ko siya matagpuan, ubos ang aking money, di ko pa nahalikan. When the night has come, yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas, lumalabas ba tayo, queen? Sa Sabi Adriatico, ako ay inaya. Inom daw kami at siya ang kaya. Kaya kami dalaway uminom ng beer. Inangat niya ang magat ng sabi sa akin, cheers. Ang liko ay meron siyang inilagay. Ako'y biglang nahilo, nawalan ng aking malay nang ako'y magising. Aking napansin, pangalan ng hotel, Anito. Kaya sabi ko na ko, iisip na ako pag nabuko ng girlfriend ko. Mahirap ko, walang wala sa isip ko. Ang kanyang baywa, na nakita ko siya, naka-underwear lang. When the night has gone, yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas, lumalabas Pwede ba itigil mo na ang pag-iingot ng mundo? Lumiwanag ang buwan sana. Lahat ng bagay ay buong ewan natin sino may pamanang at bakit alam kung tayo nandito. Pwede ba itigil mo na ang pag-iingot ng mundo?